Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 12V cordless ratchet from Parkside, the model Parkside 12V1, bare unit, battery and charger not included, compatible with all X 12V Team Series rechargeable batteries, 54 Nm max torque, 1/2 tool mount, 250 RPM max no load rotation speed, accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. New plastic case from Parkside, green and black. We have the manual, the tool. Here you can have the charger, the 4Ah battery if you want to use, or the 2Ah. I will use the 4Ah for this test. Rotation direction switch, tool holder for the 1/2 mount, alignment with this hole, soft grip here, soft elements around, and at the on-off switch. To press the on-off switch, you need to press and the lock button. Battery charger level display here. You can install the battery. LED working light. Nice. You can use this socket with 1/2, or if you don't want to use the 1/2, just remove and use this one. So let's move on for testing. If you are tired of hand cracking in tight spaces, this compact powerhouse may just become your new favorite tool. Is a compact and efficient tool designed for tightening and loosening hexagonal bolts and nuts, making it suitable for automotive repairs, mechanics working in tight spaces, and various DIY projects. And that wraps up our review of the Parkside 12V Cordless Ratchet. With its compact design, 54 Nm torque and 250 RPM speed, it's a handy tool for various mechanical tasks. The inclusion of 3/8 to 1/2 adapter adds versatility, making it suitable for different socket sizes. Whether you are working in tight spaces or need a reliable ratchet for your projects, this cordless ratchet delivers performance and convenience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Have you tried it? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.